Okay. Hey gamers! This is Kwing. He can't talk very much because he has like a scarf-like thing over. And he's a ninja. He's gonna be a shoveling ninja. I didn't get all of your bow there because I didn't follow you down, but
it's wicked cold out and there's lots of snow, which I'm very happy about because I love snow. But the reason why I have a thing over my face is that way it'll keep my head warm because I do still have bronchitis. And if I go out and I get too sick, then I'm going to lose my voice again, then we're all going to be screwed. So, yeah.
It's shoveling with Kwing.
And I can't get a thumbs up because stupid gloves are too small.
Your thumb is frozen?
No, the gloves are small.
I'm sorry.
Here.
I'll have to get you bigger gloves.
Okay. Finally got our snow.
So, is this all you've shoveled? No, I know you shoveled. He shoveled the whole... Kwing shoveled this whole area, and it's all filled in with snow again. Right, honey?
Yep.
Wow, you look like a ninja for some reason. Can't put my finger... Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that at all. Having fun?
Do I look like I'm having fun to you? Yes, I'm having fun.
Are you being Raphael? What Ninja Turtle is blue? I forget.
Oh,
I'm sorry. It's either Don or Leo.
Not the first choice.
It's Leo.
There you go.
Your favorite is Don.
You didn't have Don. No. Correction. My favorite is Mikey.
Oh.
My favorite in video games is Don because his staff reaches the
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
This shovel wouldn't really do that much. Well, if you hit him on top of the head, maybe. Die! Die! I don't know.
I should build a snowman.
We built one when we were engaged.
You're so good to me, honey.
Okay. This is the lazy man's way to shovel.
Thank you for shoveling. And to all our fans in Texas and other places that are warm, that don't get snow, this is what you're missing. It's called, you shovel, you wait a while, you go outside, you shovel again, you wait a while, you go outside, you shovel again. It never ends.
Nope.
This is New England. This is snow.
Well, the plow won't be here until they do the driveway like around 5.
Yeah.
What time is it, like 2? 1?
That's our cute little car there. It's covered with snow. It has a Transformers emblem on the hood, but there we go. Yeah, Transformers.
You're so 80s.
Robots in disguise.
Robots wage their battle to destroy the evil forces of the Decepticons.
Yeah, so we wanted to say hi to you guys and let you guys know we're shoveling. Thank you for all. Well, this is my part. No.
We're shoveling? Really?
I offered to help. You were a gentleman. You said that you didn't want me to shovel.
You'd freeze.
I'm tough.
Are you having fun?
I'm having fun. Are you having fun?
No, I feel like I'm being watched.
Nobody's watching you. I'm just holding this camera up for no reason at all. Thank you everyone for all my awesome birthday wishes. That was amazing. We're having unofficial like semi-party. It's just gonna be family. So I didn't really have my party on my birthday, but because I didn't want to. I wanted to wait for Saturday because it's Saturday today. This is payback for the Resident Evil game. What do you say about that? As you can see, there's a lot of snow here.
It keeps coming and coming and coming.
I mean, it's...
When will it end?
Thank you for shoveling, honey.
You're welcome.
You're a sweetheart.
Time to say goodbye. We're boring people.
Hey everybody, God bless and happy gaming. And happy shoveling.
Enjoy Sonic later today.
Enjoy Sonic later today. Alright, until we meet again. See ya.
Snow ninja, snow ninja, go! Snow! Snow!
Snow ninja, snow ninja, go! Snow, snow, something. No, wait, don't
dance.
snow.
Subscribe for more videos.